If you want to see only 50 emails at once in Gmail on your laptop, this is the quickest way to change it. Here you see a Gmail account. Now, look at the top right corner and click on the settings icon. After that, select See All Settings. Inside the General tab, you'll find an option called Maximum Page Size. This setting controls how many emails Gmail shows on one page. Click the drop-down menu beside it and select 50 conversations per page. Now, scroll all the way down and click Save Changes. Once the page reloads, Gmail will start showing 50 emails at once instead of the default amount. This is useful if you want faster email browsing, better inbox management, and improved Gmail productivity on your laptop. And that's how to show only 50 emails per page in Gmail.